grade 4, subject EVS. Chapter first name is Let's go to school every day. चलो daily school चले. And this is our part 3. Yes, part 3. In the part 1, I had explained you what is the role of education, what is the importance of education and what is the meaning of school. In the second part, I had explained you about the auto rickshaw and boats and the cement bridge. Which type of difficulties students facing when they are using these type of ways. This type of ways they are using from the school पहुंचने के लिए. Now in this video I conduct same chapter. My first topic is about camel cart. Camel cart. In the Hindi language we say camel means ऊंट की गाड़ी. So here I write some points which is already in your textbook. Okay. First I read it one by one point and explain it. We live in the desert. Again I am repeating. We live in the desert. Desert means रेगिस्तान. Okay. चलो अभी सेकंड पॉइंट, रेगिस्तान में क्या होता है? There is sand all around. There is sand all around. Sand means मिट्टी. Sand means मिट्टी. Sand gets very hot during the day. As you can see on the board, sand की desert की आपको पिक्चर क्लियरली दिख रही होगी. Desert means रेगिस्तान. In the desert, that all around filled by sand. वहाँ पर चारों तरफ आपको क्या दिखेगी? Sand. Sand gets very hot during the day. Very hot means बहुत गर्म. It means sand पूरे दिन जब बहुत गर्मी होती है, like in the summer season, March, April and May, that time in the desert, the sand are so hot. वो क्या हो जाती है? मिट्टी बहुत गर्म हो जाती है. Now last point, we ride in camel cart to reach school. School. It means we means students. So which area students are using camel cart? Camel cart कौन सी एरिया के स्टूडेंट्स यूज करते होंगे? So here I write the areas name. Okay, as you already know that Rajasthan is the one of desert in our India. Rajasthan. Okay, but Rajasthan हमारे गुजरात में नहीं है. In the Gujarat state, which area is the desert area? गुजरात के desert area कौन सी है? Yes, कच्छ. कच्छ के अंदर है Run of Kutch. Okay, Run of Kutch. This is located in the Gujarat state. It means हमारे जो कच्छ के जो students हैं, they are using camel cart. Okay, which type of challenges they are facing? Students वहाँ पर कौन से challenges face करते होंगे? Like speed. Compared to car, the camel is so slow. Okay. Next thing, in the summer season. Yes, in the summer season, we apply the AC. हम AC चलाते हैं कार में और इसमें. Auto is already open area in both side. It is also good. मतलब इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है स्टूडेंट्स को. But in the camel cart, students face very hot feeling. उनका कभी-कभी लूज पावर हो जाता है, डायरेक्शन एरा हो जाता है, लूज मोशन हो जाती है, बहुत सारे हेल्थ के भी इश्यूज रहते हैं when they are using the camel cart. Okay students, so here I am ending this topic. This topic is camel cart. Okay. about bullock cart. Okay, so here I am writing some information which is already in your textbook. First point, we live in village. We means here I am talking about the students, school students. So we live in village. Village means gaon. Okay. We ride on our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields to school. Fields. Fields. फील्ड में जो खेतर होते हैं ना, विलेजेस में खेतर, वो. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, वी राइड ऑन आवर bullock cart. It means which students are saying this point? About the village student. जो विलेज में बच्चे रहते हैं, those are going to school, वो क्या यूज करते हैं? bullock cart. Going slowly through the green field to school. It means school कब कैसे जाते हैं? Through the green field. यानी कि green fields यानी कि खेतर से होते होते slowly bullock cart अपना बच्चों को कहाँ पहुँचाते हैं? स्कूल तक पहुँचाते हैं. Third point, if it is too sunny. Sunny means summer season. It means अगर बहुत गर्मी हो तो. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrella. In sunny or in raining. It means ज़्यादा गर्मी हो या बारिश में हो, so then students are using then on umbrella. वो अपनी umbrella use करते हैं. In which season? Like in the summer and rainy season. क्योंकि bullock cart is the open, okay? Like in the auto rickshaw and car की तरह उनके पास रूफ नहीं होता है, छत नहीं होती है. So students अगर suppose getting their sun, वो अगर गर्मी feel करेंगे, so they are using umbrella in the sunny rainy season. Okay, and here I note down some disadvantage. Yes, disadvantages. कौन कौन से disadvantages बच्चों को फेस करने पड़ते हैं? First, bullock cart is very slow in speed. Yes, like camel cart, bullock cart. ये जो भी एनिमल्स के पीछे हमारी कार बंदी होती है यानी गाड़ी बंदी होती है, उनकी स्पीड इवन साइकिल, ऑटो रिक्शा, कार, वैन, बस, इन सब की कंपैरिजन में क्या होती है? स्पीड बहुत स्लो होती है. स्पीड इज सो स्लो. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई एम हियर एक्सप्लेन यू. एंड ऑल्सो टोटली डिपेंड अप ऑन द help of bullock. Again I am repeating, and also totally depend. यानी कि bullock cart का यूज सबसे ज्यादा totally depend किस पर रहता है? Up on the health of bullock. bullock की अगर health अच्छी होगी, उसका पूरा डिपेंड कहाँ पर रहता है? bullock पर. Third point, if bullock are sick means बीमार. Sick means बीमार. Then cart cannot work. Suppose bullock is a one type of living, okay, living organism. जैसे हम इंसान, suppose आपको या मुझे कभी फीवर है, we are sick, so then we are able to then do anything. हमारे पास वो शक्ति होती है, एनर्जी होती है कुछ काम करने की. नो ना बच्चा. So then same here, bullock is a one type of a living thing. वो भी एक इंद्रन जानवर है, पर वो सांस लेता है, इसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. ओके, तो अगर वो बीमार होगा, so वो कार्ट तो कैन नॉट वर्क. जो उसकी गाड़ी है, उसका मालिक उसको कितना भी अच्छे से चलाए, बट वो वर्क नहीं करेगा बिकॉज द हेल्थ इशू. अगर bullock का अगर हेल्थ इशू होगा, तो वर्क नहीं करेगा. So then students, जो बच्चे अगर उसकी गाड़ी में बैठे हों, वो how they are reaching the school? Yes, that time बच्चों की क्या हो जाएगी? छुट्टी. Yes, they get the holiday. So here I complete this topic. Bullock cart. First topic I explained about the camel cart, and here is a bullock cart. Okay, I hope you understood the four topics. And if you have any doubt and query regarding these two topics, so you ask me in the during online lecture. And one more thing, with students, please watch these all videos. आपको वीडियोस देखना कंपलसरी है. These all things I am not explained in the online lecture. Okay? Online lecture में ये चीजें मैं explain नहीं करूँगी in the detail. If you have any doubt, आपने वीडियो देखा, if you are getting any doubt, what is the meaning of speed? Ma'am, what is the meaning of third point? So that some things I am explaining. Okay, उसको मैं explain करूँ. Otherwise, I am not totally not explaining in the online lecture. Okay, I hope you understood today's topic. So thank you and have a nice day.